Hello, very good morning children. Just in class 11th accountancy, we have to study how the transactions are recorded in purchase return book and sales return book. Format of debit note, format of credit note. Now my dear children, first we have to know the purchase return book. All the credit purchase of goods when returned, which are returned to the supplier, recorded in the book that is called purchase return book. I mean to say in Hindi, बेटा जो भी हमने सामान बेचने के लिए खरीदा है, जिसमें हम व्यवसाय करते हैं, उस सामान में किन्हीं अपरिहार्य कारणों से, वो कारण भी हम आपको बताएंगे, किन्हीं अपरिहार्य कारणों से यदि हम उसे सप्लायर को पुनः वापस कर देते हैं, तो जिन बुक्स में इस वापस किए गए माल का हम एंट्री करते हैं, उसका लेखा करते हैं, उसे ही हम परचेज रिटर्न बुक और परचेज आउटवर्ड बुक बोलते हैं। आउटवर्ड बुक भी इसका सिनोनिम्स है, इसका नाम है। इसे रिटर्न आउटवर्ड बुक भी कहा जाता है। अब नाउ इट्स अ क्वेश्चन फॉर द सेक ऑफ अस, सामान क्यों वापस किया जाता है? वाई द परचेज गुड्स आर रिटर्न टू द सप्लायर? What may be the reason? The first reason, suppose that the goods which have been purchased for resale may be defective. May be defective, हो सकता है कि उसमें कहीं गड़बड़ी हो, इस वजह से पहला तो कारण ये बन सकता है। दूसरा कारण, जो प्राइस है इनवॉइस में, जो एग्रीड प्राइस, व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ द परचेज गुड्स exceeds whatever the price agreed, अगर जो हमने हमारे बीच सहमति बनी है कि हम इतने मूल्य पर उस सामान को खरीदेंगे और उससे अधिक मूल्य लग करके इनवॉइस में आए, तो भी ये कारण बन सकता है। तीसरा कारण, now the third reason may be damaged on transit. Whatever the goods purchased from supplier and due to transportation or some other reasons, cause of damage, किसी कारणवश वो डैमेज हो गया, लीकेज हो गया, इस वजह से भी वापस किया जाता है। तो किसी तरह का, किसी भी प्रकार का, किन्हीं कारणवश जब सामान वापस किया जाता है, जो सामान, हर सामान नहीं, परचेज रिटर्न बुक में जो सामान आपने पुनः बेचने के लिए खरीदा है, उसी सामान को परचेज रिटर्न, आई मीन टू से द बुक in which the businessman is dealing, I mean to say purchased for resale to earn the profit for the business purpose. Those goods are returned to the supplier, recorded in purchase return. The recording, the format of purchase return book is this way. Now this one is the format. Watch over here. When the goods return to the supplier, the debit note is prepared. The debit note is prepared. So one column invoice number in the place of invoice number, just this one is the column of debit note number, ledger folio number, details and amount total. Purchase return, purchase return book. First one is the date column, in which the date of the returning of goods are mentioned. Second, name of supplier, name of supplier, debit note number, debit note number, ledger folio number, LF, the next column, and this column, details, and in this column, amount. For example, just you have purchased the goods from Malhotra and Company. You are the furniture dealer or cloth seller. Suppose that on recording the transaction, just suppose that you are the accountant and you are the owner of the particular organization. So the transactions, whatever the transactions is to be recorded, just you can record in correct column. On June 5, just date June 5, return goods to Malhotra and Company, cause of defective, maybe the cause also given. So Malhotra and Company, Malhotra and Company, you are the purchaser and seller of the furniture. द गुड्स इन विच यू डील विद दैट इज फर्नीचर, मतलब आपका कारोबार फर्नीचर का। क्लियर? 20 चेयर्स, 20 chairs at the rate of 400 chairs per chair, 400 per chair. Debit note number 400 per chair. Debit note number 402 or 301, whatever, so on. Just imaginary debit number 402. 402. Now in detail column, 2 4 जा 8,000. 10 tables, 10 tables at the rate of 500 per table. At the rate of 500 per table, just 5,000. Whatever the trade discount you have received, trade discount, suppose that 10%, less trade discount, less trade discount, 10%. Just you can total this one is the amount 8 plus 5,000, 8,000 plus 13,000 less trade discount 10%. I will say the 1,300. Then after you have to record the amount after deducting from 13,000 11,700. Just the 1,300 deducted from 13,000, 11,700. On June 20, return to Ram and Sons, Jaipur. Return to Ram and Sons, Jaipur. So you can write the name of the supplier, Ram and Sons. Ram and Sons, Jaipur. 20 sofa, 20 sofa at the rate of 2,000 per sofa. Per sofa. Debit note number 403. Note, there is no trade discount, so you can write the cost. 2 to the 40,000. Just you can write over here 40,000. For 2 examples, way you can record the transactions, just return to the suppliers whatever the goods purchased from the supplier, return to the supplier, recorded this way, such way. तो इसे बेटा ऐसे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। अब आप टोटल आपका just you can write this way, total $51,700, and here purchase return account credit. This one is the format of purchase return. In same way, the sales return book is prepared. Sales return book, just date column, then in the place of name of supplier you can write name of customer to whom the goods have been sold, and in the place of debit note number you can write, that is written credit note number. Ledger folio details and amount. Suppose that you are going to post this one in sales book, just आपने मल्होत्रा एंड कंपनी को 20 शेयर इतना बेचा है, अब यहाँ क्रेडिट नोट नंबर आप हो जाते हैं। सेम प्रोसीजर में इसी तरह से आपका जो है परचेज रिटर्न बुक और सेल्स रिटर्न बुक प्रिपेयर किया जाता है। अब हम आपको बताते हैं फॉर्मेट ऑफ क्रेडिट नोट नंबर और डेबिट नोट। You can see suppose that debit note number on right of the page written debit note number, just write. Then address of the particular party for which you are preparing the debit note in purchase return book. When the goods are returned to the suppliers, the debit note is prepared. When the customer returns the goods to the seller, the credit note is prepared. Remember, so on debit note number, address to whom the debit note number is prepared. Now, the narration you can write this way. We are debiting on such amount just whatever the amount of the purchase, such amount on the basis of whatever the things given. Now we are debiting we are debiting your account with the value of under mentioned goods returned to you for the reason stated below. We are debiting your account we are debiting your account with the value of under mentioned with the value of under mentioned goods returned to you reason stated below. Reason stated below. Just the column first column, that is the reason column. Just you can this way you can do it. In first column, suppose that this one is the debit note number. In first column, reason. Second column, particular. In third column, details. And fourth column, amount.